Gold H4 time frame, from this low to high, if you see this retracement tool top to bottom, then 61% retracement, you can see the level exactly on previous big support level 3164. If more downside pressure in gold come, then that will be next big support level for downside risk. Before that, this last week low, you can see this is third attempt and price struggling to break out. So this area near 3270, this is our new big support level. Below this area, a breakdown come, then 50% retracement 3228. But I think you focus only on 3270 and 3164, these two level, because after vertical crash price is sideways, and during this time everyone is asking is this top or not. So sentiment changed big way until price recover back to 3360. Sentiment will not improve, and until that area breakout, technically gold will stay bearish. If you have old buying entry, take profit, and before breakout of 3360 only wait and watch, do nothing. If you have old selling entry, then if you entered about 3360, then hold, because next downside target will be 3164. Because if you already have entry, then why you should take more risk? But compared to everything, especially after this comment from Scott Bessent, when it was going up, there was big panic. There is no reason to do Fed QE. Same person was talking about treasury buyback. Since according to Bessent, stock market recovered, no market crash, no great depression like panic, then why they need to do treasury buyback? So no need to start money printing policy. So that's why gold will stay below 3500, no more upside until big correction. Plus, if this was buy the rumor, sell the news, the money printing policy, if that thing is not happening, then that panic must price out. In that condition, after this new comment from Bessent, this is the best thing from Trump. He made a trained hedge fund, a treasury secretary. On each market turn, he gave a comment and we get ready for next move. So technical setup, vertical move, sideways correction, then more downside. This can be ABC flat correction. This can be triangle chart pattern. We will know. But once correction over, I think downside target will be 3164. And before that, 3228. This can be level because buyer will try buying the few retracement. And before that, this last week low 3270. So for new entry, do not sell if you cannot manage your risk up to 3360 and profit target near 3164. Based on this price length, calculate your risk reward ratio, then enter. That is entry before breakout. Even if price break down, then do not worry, this is strong support zone. It will give us one retest entry, the last one, and targeting 3164. Because market made top, news came later, and big news coming this week, NFP and GDP. But before that, Bessent made clear, panic is gone, everything is back to normal. And this was totally dollar move. When dollar index turned, at the same time gold crashed, and they are going candle by candle in opposite direction. So dollar index need upside correction. Yesterday made detailed video from monthly to H4 time frame, followed that wave counting. Why for upcoming time dollar can stay up. During that time gold can stay down at least below 3500. So for beginner you have three level: 3164, 3270 and 3360. As long as price trading below this area 3360, it is bearish. If this support 3270 break down, then buyers will panic, they will take profit, and it can attract more seller. Now SP 500 as for time frame, in free video I gave target manage risk up to 5800, but if you see top to bottom, then Friday closing near 50% retracement 5491 before Monday New York open. He made clear panic is over. He wait for 50% retracement from upside. Now they are ready for next panic. So we should watch carefully how market react on this area. But my target is still 5800. But after Treasury Secretary Bessent comment, I think all the buyers who bought near 4800 take profit and run. And for seller, this is why your 50% retracement, clear hint from Bessent. And we have NAP and GDP number this week. Weak economy, less growth, that's mean recession. Either market start turning, so sign of reversal from this area. Otherwise 5800 we can start selling, and same like this until Bessent panic again, we will stay bearish. But this is first hint. Bottom, Trump panic, instantly trade tariff for 90 days. Now on this area after 50% retracement top to bottom, Bessent, he said panic is over, and we have to see how next bearish wave triggered, either by economic indicator this week or any Trump trade deal.